Alright, so my little buddy and I, we're out hiking today at our local nature trail, and I got something cool to show you. It's this, the ESEE Expat Medellin. It's the folding version of the ESEE 3. So just some regular 550 cord. Nice. Let's double this up a couple times. No problem. So something I did bring along for a trail snack, some mini tomatoes. And usually these do better with a serrated knife, but these are cutting quite nicely. Those are perfect mini tomato slices for our trail lunch. All right, so let's see how the Medellin does doing some carving tasks here. Nice. Alright, so what else do I have here to cut? I've got some 1/4 inch rope. Nice. And I have some webbing from an old pack. Oh, it's right through. Yeah, we'll see what the strap does. See if we can go cut right through the strap. No problem. Double that up. It's a good cut. All right, so again, this is just an initial review, but I do want to do some comparisons. Again, this is called the folding ESEE 3, so we'll hold it right up against my ESEE 3. The Medellin is actually a little bit longer in the handle than my 3. And actually a little bit more comfortable to hold. The 3's grip for me has always just been a little bit short. And while we're doing fixed blades, let's look at the ESEE. Again, the ESEE is probably my favorite neck knife of all time. All right, and now let's look at the Avispa, made by BRK for ESEE. Very similar knives. The Medellin seems to have a little bit of a better build to me, but and we'll look at the Zancudo. Alright, now I want to compare the Medellin against some of the knives that I use for everyday carry. Here's my Spyderco Endura 4, which, again, it's a good workhorse knife that you're not going to cry if you lose. There's my Cold Steel Code 4, which is a beast of a knife. And probably the one I've been carrying the most lately is my my Benchmade Triage. So again, after using this knife for maybe a few months, I'm gonna post a longer review. But the Medellin, so far I'm pretty impressed with it. I like the blade shape. Again, I've always liked the ESEE 3 blade shape as well. Has a nice long cutting edge. Takes a nice edge. The Framelock is stiff. And that'll take some breaking in. In fact, I wish there was a little bit more lip of the Framelock. I'm almost thinking about taking my Dremel tool and grinding down the handle a little bit so I can get my thumb a little bit better on the Framelock. Whether you're a tip up guy or a tip down guy, it's fine because you have both options here. I'm personally a tip up guy. It will come tip down, but it's really easy just with a T6 Torx bit. We're gonna reverse that really quick. Screw here, we've got some Loctite on the screw. Tell you one thing, that's a nice deep carry pocket clip too.